Hello Leo, welcome to Brutally True Tarot, and this is the reading for this week of October. So let's see what are the messages for you in this week of October. Messages for Leo for this week of October. Strength. Knight of Wands. The World in reverse. And Two of Cups. Okay, Leo, with the card of the Strength, I see that you are feeling extraordinary energy inside you. You are feeling like you can do anything you want to. Okay, everything seems to be in your control. You are focusing on figuring out your relationship. You want to figure out whether everything is the same what it seems. Okay, if you see here, you see this person checking out inside the crocodile. So this person has strength. This person wants to know the truth. So this person has pulled apart the jaw of the crocodile and is looking inside, seeing what actually the other party is thinking. I don't mean that literally you're going to use the force upon your partner to know what's going on inside, but you are using your willpower. You are facing them with clear questions, and you are not afraid to speak out your mind. You are looking inside and getting a clear view of what their actual intentions are. Okay, so you have to pay attention to what you're doing, because this crocodile might not be as strong as you are, but look here, this one is trying to pull this man down. Okay, this crocodile has just wrapped around his tail around the leg of this person. Okay, so you have to be very careful with whom you are dealing. People might be trying to push your leg behind when you're actually being open. Okay, you can't understand that you are, if you can be what you are, okay, then why others have to fake it? You are bold, Leo. You are not afraid to speak your mind. You do not fake it. But the person you are dealing with might be faking it, and you want to make it clear that whether their desires are true for you or not. With this Knight of Wands, I see that you have this, what can I say? You are being impatient right now. You want to go ahead with your plans. You want to get victory over the situation. You want to feel secure. You cannot tolerate this drama anymore, because nothing has been moving till now. Okay, everything was stagnant, and now you cannot tolerate all this. Every time you were asking for commitment, they were giving you commitment, but then they were not fulfilling their promise. Okay, every time they were giving you excuses, and now you think that enough is enough. You are out there to fight for yourself now, but the card of the World is in reverse. Okay, this person might try to manipulate your mind with sweet words. They might see you that you are angry, you are frustrated, you want straight and clear answers, but still They know how to calm you down. They understand you. They know what you exactly need to hear, and they are going to do the same. Because with Two of Cups here, I don't think that this person wants to lose you. Okay, I don't know what their problem is. Probably they cannot fulfill their commitment at this point of time or something like that. But here this person wants to stay with you. Here they want some time. And for that they are trying to manipulate you. They are trying to make you forget your actual questions, your actual reasons. It's like you might reach them, you might knock them at their door with anger, seeking for answers, and just when you enter inside, you see that there is a candlelit dinner for you, something like that. They have already arranged, and then your anger goes into the air. Okay, everything turns romantic all of a sudden. So this person is not really sure that how far and how much can they commit right now, because they feel that you are in a hurry. They want to make you forget about it right now, and they will make it probably. Although this is a general reading, Leo, it's not going to resonate for all. The energy could be reversed as well. Let's check some more messages for you, Leo. Messages for Leos for this week of October. Two of Wands. The Magician in reverse. The Moon. And the Emperor in reverse. Okay. This person wants to please you, because probably they are thinking that it would be too easy to break this relationship at this point, but it would be harder to grow this all over again with someone else. Okay, so anyhow they are trying to keep you here because they know you both have invested a lot of time, a lot of emotions into each other, and they want it to work. Okay, and if any one of you becomes impatient at this point and lose your relationship, if you lose your relationship, it might take even longer to grow this kind of bond with someone. With the card of the Magician in reverse, it looks like that slowly and gradually this person will unfold himself or herself. They are going to tell you what's going on in their life, but part by part, step by step. They're not going to tell you everything all of a sudden, because they're afraid that this relationship will fall apart. With the card of the Moon, you people are in influence of some kind of magic. You are romantically involved with each other so much that you are literally in another world. You want this to come true in this physical world, and the very idea of not being able to have each other in this real world is making you uncomfortable, and that's why probably you are looking for commitment so fast, or they are looking for commitment so fast. But this person is controlled by you, you are controlled by them. You just cannot do without seeing each other. It's a fact. And with this card of the Emperor in reverse, this person might be a person who likes to have control over the relationship, who likes to have discipline in their life, who might have a big ego, but at this point of time, they are playing like an helpless person before you, so that you might feel some kind of mercy for them. They are asking for mercy, okay, at this point of time. And that will melt your heart, and probably you will give them time, okay. Let's take some oracle messages for you, Leo. Messages for Leo. Almoria, awakening presence. The universe is with you. Wear a cloak of protection and love. So the universe is with you, Leo. You don't have to worry about anything, okay? Nothing bad is going to happen. And wear a cloak of protection and love. Feel secured. You don't have to be insecure. You don't have to think of so far. Just live in the present and have your part of love and just enjoy it. That's all. So this was the reading for this week of October. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Till next video. Bye.